Hi, I'm Eric Bowie, Mattress King of Mattress Kingdom. Today I'm going to explain to you what is Posturepedic technology. There's two different types of innersprings I'm showing you right here. Right here is a traditional innerspring, and over here is what Posturepedic technology is. So if you can see on this traditional innerspring, they're all hand tied and they're right on top of each other. What Posturepedic technology does for us, one, they're pocketed, and two, as you can see on the head and foot here, imagine this as your head and your foot. These innersprings are right on top of each other. But where we carry the most of our weight is our center third, and as you can see with the zigzag pattern, we get more coil to give us more support. So I'm going to have my mattress prince, Peter, first show me an example of a traditional innerspring. So if you look as he's laying on his back, you can kind of see how he's caving in here in his center third. This is a traditional innerspring bed, doesn't have any pocketed coil technology, and it doesn't have that improved center third. So on our Posturepedic technology bed example, we show Peter laying here, and you can see he's a lot straighter. So, and we have a little more concave here, but not as much as on that traditional innerspring. That's probably because we're on a pillow top mattress and we have more comfort material. So that's Posturepedic technology. Tune in next week for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.